Howdy YouTube, this is Dustin 2011 again. I got one more strange sound movie to share with you and stuff. So I just now found this, and this video was made in Budapest, and it's the most strangest, loudest, strange noise I ever heard. So I just want to share it with you. So here it goes. Just give me a minute. Alright, this is this video, and just listen carefully how loud this sucker is. Man, that was scary than shit. Let's see if I can find some more here. Here's one that's in Mexico. Not the same, the one I showed you. Yep, it could very be possible. It could be angels, aliens, the government. Who knows? I mean, who knows? I mean, like I was saying on the my first video on the strange sounds. I mean, we could be on a spaceship, and everything around us is nothing but hologram images. The sky's fake, the moon's fake, everything's fake. That our planet been destroyed a long time ago, and we was spared, and the aliens or something put us on this big gigantic spaceship, and is having us floating around up in space somewhere, heading to a new Earth and stuff. I mean, I don't believe it, but I'm just saying that. I mean, I don't believe it that we are, but I'm just saying that. So, but yeah, I mean, it's strange. These strange sounds. I haven't heard them myself. I just hear them because I watch these YouTube videos. That's the only thing I knew about them, because I've been watching these YouTube videos about it. So I don't know. It could be angels blowing their trumpets. It could be aliens or UFOs that's cloaked and we can't see them, but we hearing their engines and stuff. That very could be, or it could be the government doing some, making us brainwashed enough. You can't tell about the government. I mean, they do things to you and stuff. So, well, I'll let you go. So, y'all have a good night and peace out.